say some have reported temperatures of 48 degrees in their cabs. That's 118 Fahrenheit.
I've seen bus drivers coming to the garages, the exhaust is sweated, and really wet. And I've just said, if you have to stop the bus, come out the cab, go into a shed. Don't worry about, anybody else. Passenger safety come first, and the public.
TfL says it's working to fit aircon in all bus cabs, but it will take longer to do the same on the tube. As Twitter users complained of melting on the central line, a tube boss today confirmed new air-conditioned trains won't be arriving until 2030.
So bad news there for commuters, everyone really struggling. I mean, the advice is obviously do avoid the hottest zone if you can. If you can't, we'll just take things a little bit slowly, make sure you stay hydrated, keep a bottle of water with you. I don't want to teach you to suck eggs, it's practical sense, but just do be a little bit careful. And if you've got somebody who's more vulnerable that lives near you, maybe just keep an eye on them as well.